Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, the subject is simple. How to double your money in less than 5 weeks. And now I'm gonna present you a project that will double your money so easily, but not just that, it has the potential to grow 100 times from today, from the price of today. It's 1.2 pennies today. I'll show you the chart. It will go 100x, which is 10,000% up in less than a year, because it has a huge potential. I know the team. I invested in them. I do own a little bit of tokens, and I will buy some more. So follow my logic, follow my instructions. Use MetaMask to buy from Uniswap. It's easy. So the chart looks like this. Oh, come on. Yeah. So today is going a little bit up, but I'm expecting from this price 0.01193 that in less than 5 weeks it should be 2.4 pennies, 2.4 cents. Okay, so it's going to be 0.024. Okay. I'm telling you, the name of the company is SNPAD. It's SNP Adverse, and this is the website, snpad.com. And again, go use your MetaMask. Have a little bit of Ethereum in there, or you can use US dollar Tether, but it's an ERC20 token. Okay, you see it's paired in here with wrapped Ethereum. But the point is this: have a little bit of Ethereum for gas fees. Don't be afraid. Buy the token, hold it. In less than 5 weeks, I promise you, it will double. Just because of the hype, and a lot of people are buying and keep on buying this token. All right, you will see it's a beautiful platform. It's watch to earn type of platform. You will see a lot of videos and instructions how to use it. Like, you will watch commercials on TV, on your own TV, and on your telephone. If you set up their wallet, it's SNPAD wallet, instantly you're getting money after the commercial is finished. All right, so every 15 seconds when the commercials are running from SNPAD, you are making money. So it's watch to earn. Plus they have another thing that it's a multi-level marketing type of thing, but it's just one level, that you give away your own referral link, and everybody who registers with this link, it will give you money. It's a lifetime money referral fees that you're collecting from your friends when they're watching these commercials. So you're getting roughly 10% of their income. So it's just one level. Don't think if it's a multi-level. It's not a huge pyramid. It's just one level. But I'm telling you, you will see a lot of ladies from Avon, ladies which are experts in MLM, multi-level marketing type of things. So Avon, Oriflame, Herbalife, and Coral, and all these Lioness type of multi-level marketing companies, they will jump on this with a huge speed, and they will register a lot of users. All right, so it will be a huge hype. So hurry up. It's a time sensitive. Buy it early. Again, it will grow 100x in less than a year. I'm telling you, watch the potential and join them on Telegram. Have a look. The Telegram is right here, and it's smp.network minus row community, but there is an English community too. All right, see all the commercials in there, see all the material, use the material, and promote your own referral link. You will make money if you don't invest in the token, but the fastest way is to invest in the token. It will change your life. There are life-changing money in here. I'm telling you, it will change my life because I invested a good amount of money in here, and I will keep on buying. All right, so thank you very much for your attention, and have a profitable week next week and forever.